Does the government need to respect the charter freedoms of public servants? This is a question being raised in a court case before the Supreme Court of Newfoundland and Labrador in a dispute between Desiree Ditchmond and the Human Rights Commission. Desiree Ditchmond was born in 1926. She served as a pilot in World War II, one of very few women to do so. After the war, she spent many years on leper colonies in Africa, helping the people there. She moved to Newfoundland and was a school teacher and a community volunteer. And because of her great spirit of service, she was awarded the Queen's Gold Jubilee Medal and later on the Queen's Diamond Jubilee Medal. And at the age of 71, she was appointed marriage commissioner, which was a part-time work that was very meaningful and very significant to her, provided a very modest income. After the definition of marriage was changed, the Newfoundland government stripped her of her license to perform marriages because she was not able to, for conscientious reasons, to perform same-sex ceremonies. There's no evidence whatsoever that accommodating Desiree Ditchmond would have any negative impact on the ability of same-sex couples to have marriages solemnized. What the government did was ideological, and now in the court case, the government is arguing that because of the government's duty of neutrality, that they cannot accommodate Desiree Ditchmond. Well, this is just not true. It's true that government has to be neutral, but a similar case came up with the whole issue of turbans in the RCMP. People said the RCMP is a government authority, and if you are showing yourself to be a member of the Sikh religion, then the police force loses that government neutrality. Well, a court ruling on that was quite decisive and said that there's no adverse impact on the public by virtue of some RCMP officers wearing a Sikh turban, or let's say a Muslim officer wearing a head covering. So similarly here, while government does have an obligation to be neutral, individual public servants have charter freedoms that must be respected. I'm John Carpay. Thanks for listening.